BALAJI PLAST Pack. Heartily welcome to you visit our video. Company known as one of the top manufacturing and exporter of all type pouch packaging machinery. Company manufacturing unit is in RAJKOT, Gujarat, India. The formerly known as BALAJI Enterprise was started in the year 1999. This is two-head linear weigher pot packing machine, are suitable for weighing grains, rice, coffee beans, sesame, tea, namkeen, potato chips, peanuts, namkeen, coffee seeds, pet foods, fertilizer, granules, pesticides, or other similar products. The machine is microprocessor-based operating system with dual vibration speed. It's very easy to operate. All the contact part of the machine are made by stainless steel. This machine name is two-head linear weigher pouch packing machine. Filling capacity is 10 gram to 1000 gram. Weight capacity depending upon your product. Machine speed is approximately 750 pouch per hour. Machine needed a 3 kilowatt, 230 volt, single phase, 50 Hz frequency. Air compressor needed a 9 CFM, 6 bar. Machine weight is approximately 450 kilograms. The machine packing materials is any sealable BOPP poly-coated OPP aluminum foil, pre-laminated polyester or any other flexible laminated paper. The machine manufactured with latest technology. Our endeavors is to product topmost quality is considered to be the most significant traits of our range of machines as well as our business practices. We are known for offering impeccable quality, high degree of innovativeness and durability in the entire worldwide market. We take special care that every machine is manufactured by employing the finest raw material and components, manufactured under the strict supervision of our qualified quality check professionals. Our products leave no space for quality degradation, providing complete customer satisfaction products and to provide a very high level of customer service. Approval of model under the Legal Metrology, Weight and Measurement Department, Government of India, available in stocks with spares and service support across India. For any query please contact at +91 98255 06570. Email is info@balajiplastpack.com. Thank you from BALAJI Plast Pack.